that way.
Okay.
Okay, see how deep we are. The Navionics says it's like 16. $18
Yeah. That's what it looks like.
So what do you want? You want a hole there and a hole out here where it's going to fold out, one there and one there?
Yeah.
And then if we want, if tide comes out, we can throw the tip up too.
Yep.
For big northern.
Yep. That sounds fine.
I think our recoil just broke.
Uh-oh.
I think the spring just broke. Did you hear it rattling?
Yeah. I was thinking it sounded kind of funny.
Sure did. Brand new.
Something else just flew out of it.
Yeah, what is it? Teeth on it broke.
Yep. Alright, so we just got all set up here. Ooh, there's a fish down there. Okay, so we just moved across the lake a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to set this up in this hole now. This one's about 16 feet deep. Trying to set this shallow. It's right on a weed edge. Shallow as I can for a big northern. Okay. So that's bottom. And I'm going to reel up to my bobber stop. Like so, set this down. Reel up my tip up. Take my weight off. You can see there's a little bit of weed down there. That's what we want. Put my weight on the inside. Now I'm going to try to find a big shiner. This guy will work. Hook him like right behind the dorsal fin. Then we're gonna set him down. Like so. Till we get to our bobber stop. This is right about there. Going to set this like this. Rotate it. Okay. Now we have our tip up set.
See how it's chasing it down now?
Okay, we've got 2 fish on the graph.
That one should be good to go. I'm using this one. It's a crappy one, but I'm using it anyway. This reel's all jacked up.
I'm not even gonna put bait on this.
I got the pink and the green worms out over here from Eden.
Okay.
On there. Now it's out.
How far down did it say it was?
See it right there, Owen?
It's at like...
Oh,
About
yeah.
10. And that fish is at what, 20?
Is it right where Allie is?
Yeah. Allie, lift up once and see what happens. See how there's something hanging there on?
Yep.
It looks like it's on the outside of the cone, although it was on the inside of the cone.
Oh, that's good. That's a good fish.
It's a bassy bass, I bet.
It's a bass or northern, definitely.
What if it's a big crappie? What if it's a walleye?
It's a northern.
Oh, baby.
Well, we're not skunk today.
The